Well, boys, had Maureen complain about a thumping in her computer speakers. And I got my new Lynx's wireless access point here. And she wanted to know if there's any way to get rid of the thumping that you hear here in the speaker. There's a very simple way to get rid of that noise. And all it takes is a piece of aluminum. Put the aluminum between the access point and the speaker. And it actually shields the access point from the audio amplifier in the speakers. Anyway, a little tidbit. All it takes is a little piece of metal.